Hello students, welcome to my online class. I am your English teacher of LPM Public School that is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, so students, this is your English reader book of class 5th, and in this video we are going to explain summary of chapter 2, and the name of chapter 2 is Tenali meets Babar. Okay, so students, tell me what is the name of chapter 2? The name of chapter 2 is Tenali meets Babar. Okay, so students, in the previous video, I have explained this chapter in detail. Okay, so in this video, we are going to explain summary of this chapter. Tenali Raman was a famous jester in the court of King Krishnadev Rai, who ruled Vijayanagar kingdom in South India. Tenali was famous for his quick wit, intelligence, and humor. One day, he got an invitation from the great emperor Babur, who ruled in Delhi court. After hearing wit, intelligence, and humor of Tenali Raman, Babur wanted to meet Tenali Raman. So, Babur sent a messenger in Vijayanagar to call Tenali Raman. So, Tenali Raman went to Delhi, Babur's court. After hearing Tenali Raman arrived in Delhi, Babur orders to his courtiers to not laugh at any of his jokes. Tenali shared his experience, that is, many jokes, many thoughts, and many ideas in Babur's court in the most engaging and witty manner possible. But he got no reaction from the listener. This continued from some days, which demotivated the jester Tenali Raman. So, he decided to give it one more try. So, Tenali Raman disguised himself as an old man and started digging in the soil. When the barber passed the road, a small mango sapling lay beside him. On seeing an old man plant a mango sapling, the king asked, "Why are you struggling to plant this sapling? You are so old that you may not live long to enjoy the fruits of your labor." Tenali replied, "O majesty king, the trees planted by my forefather, grandfather, and father bore fruits which I have enjoyed. Therefore, I am planting this mango sapling so that my children may enjoy the fruits of this tree." The great Emperor Babur, impressed by the answer of the old man, Babur awarded him 100 gold coins. But the old man continued, "For the first time, any person in this world has received the fruit of his labor even before planting the sapling." Babur, amused by his answer, and gave him 100 more gold coins. As the As the king was about to laugh, the old man called out to him. When Babar turned, he saw the old man removing his beard and showing him his true identity. He was surprised to see Tenali Raman standing in front of him. Babar was pleased at his gesture and showered him with praise. When Raja Krishnadev Rai heard about his victory in Delhi, he further rewarded him. So after all these activities, Tenali Raman became dearer to the Raja Krishnadev Rai's heart. Okay, so students, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, thank you. So students, now I am going to ask you some questions, and answer of this question you will write in your copy. Okay, so here is question number 1. Who was Tenali Raman? Okay, and now question number 2. Who was Krishna Dev Rai? Okay, so now next question number 3 is who was Babar? Okay, and next now question number 4, and question number 4 is why did Babar wanted to meet Tenali Raman? Okay, so students, answer of this question you will write in your copy. Okay, so students, now thank you.